Drew Pop, Universe, hey, yeah. Never forget it. Always remember. Listen, hey, yeah.
Now that you're gone, don't wanna move on.
Don't wanna move on, nah.
I swear I could feel the rain on a sunny day. Now that you're gone, I don't wanna move on.
Yeah.
I swear I could feel the rain on a sunny day.
On a sunny day, I look at you and look up to the sky and pray. I'm like, hey, I can't take it. Know what I'm talking about? I'ma get up on the grill and bake it. I'll take it in the kitchen, then I'll rearrange it. I'm coming through cause you know that I be aiming, but my lyricism is freaking aimless. I gotta take it. Know what I'm talking about, but it's forsaken. Gotta move on, cause I can't go far. I can't even go past the door. They gotta get back all the facts, cause I'm just like an artifact.
Now that you're gone,
Yeah.
don't wanna move on.
Nah, hey.
I swear I could feel the rain
On a sunny day.
Now that you're gone, I don't wanna move on. I swear I could feel the rain
On a sunny day. But I just wanna see the sprinkles. I'ma get through this shit and I eat the beat just like it is Pringles. I'm coming through cause you know I'm ready to mingle because I'm single. No singularity. I'ma come through cause you know that I sing with clarity. You my mirror cause you can hear it though. You can hear my music and this is the clearest though. Hear it though, it's the truth. My name is Drew. I be spitting in the booth like it's how I do. Every day ain't no repercussions. I'm coming through cause every day I know when the reaper's coming. Not really, but I got them in 4K. Know what I'm talking about because they can afford to hate. But I don't, never do it. Know what I'm talking about, the opposite is stupid, ayy, yeah.
Now that you're gone, don't wanna move on. I swear I could feel the rain on a sunny day. Now that you're gone, I don't
Wanna move on.
I swear I could feel
The rain on a sunny day. P.O.P.P. You know it's me, man, it's Drew, it's here to see. I'm coming through cause you know that I'll clear the seas. Watch the waves, I'ma come through just like the latest craze. When I'm coming through it ain't no White Castles. I do this shit cause you know that I am so immaculate. I'ma come through cause you know the blunt I gotta lit. I mean light it. I get excited when I write it. Know what I'm talking about, she like it when she bite it. All up in the pants, I wanna dance. I'm coming through cause I do it for my fans and my friends. Man, I love all my family. I gotta do it cause you know just what I'ma be. The greatest. All up on the leaf when I'm coming through cause I do it my beliefs. Ayy, yeah.
Now that you're
Hey.
gone, don't wanna move on. I swear I could feel the rain on a sunny day. Now that you're gone, I don't wanna move on. I swear I could feel the
Rain on a sunny day. Drew Pop, hey. Universe, hey. Drew Pop.